because the one that was on the bike actually snapped off in the accident.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is part 5 of the R1 Rebuild. If you guys haven't seen any of the other parts, I will put the links in the description below. In the last video we gave the bike a full service, and then we also got it to run, and then we noticed that the radiator is leaking. If you haven't seen it, make sure you check it out. Now without further ado, let's get straight into this week's video.
Alright guys, so I actually had no idea if there was going to be a video this week, and that's because the wheels are still at the painters. The parts I ordered from Yamaha are only coming between the 10th and 15th of December, and this box was supposed to arrive at the end of this week, but luckily it came earlier, so let's go ahead, open it up and see what we got. Alright guys, so I laid the parts down here on the table. We have a second-hand subframe, new fairing stay bracket, new radiator and radiator guard. I decided to buy new mirrors just in case I decide to sell the bike. I also have new tank brackets, new throttle housing, left hand side handlebar, new shorty levers. In the bottom box is a new headlight, and then we also have new rear sets. I want to install the rear sets in this video, and lastly we have a new seat. If this video gets more than 3,000 likes, I'll put a new seat cover on the seat, maybe something like this. The videos are getting more than 20,000 views, so I'm pretty sure we can get 3,000 likes. If you want to save me some money, don't like the video. If you don't want to save me some money, then like the video. It's really just up to you guys. But for now, let's go ahead and install the subframe and the new radiator. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so subframe and radiator is connected and the bike is really starting to look good, but now I want to install the plastic pieces that go over here and hold this wiring in place. And then I want to install the new bolts because these are the bolts that hold the crash bars. And then I also want to install the new throttle housing because this one is broken. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so I announced that I was going to install the rear seats in this video, and I actually decided not to because when I get the pipes back from the people that are fixing carbon fiber, I want to install the whole exhaust system, make sure everything fits perfectly, and if the rear seats are installed here I might have to remove them, and I don't want to do that. So instead I got a new brake master cylinder and I want to install this onto this brake caliper because the one that was on the bike actually snapped off in the accident. And then I want to install this handlebar and fix this rear brakes wiring. So let's get into it. Alright guys, all the little things have been done, and I know it seems like I haven't done much in this video, and that's because I'm still waiting for some parts, but hopefully they'll be as soon so that I can start putting the bike back together in the next video. And so if you want to see that, all you have to do is subscribe and turn on all your notifications. You can also follow me on Instagram at Garreth_Collins. Remember to stay positive and be visible. Until next time, peace out.